Hey, Jet here. I will be sharing the progress I made on my game over the past 2 months. I've worked on some basic functionality for character equipment. Weapons, armors, and shields now affect the character's stats. A weapon can be a sword, an axe, a spear, a longbow, or a crossbow. You can only use one type of weapon at a time, but you can change this during a battle. Armors have varying effectiveness against different weapon types. Shields can reduce or block damages. As shown in the character stats, you can now see how equipment modifies their values for battles. Also, you can view the item details in the inventory, including which characters are currently using them. I've also added a few new characters. These characters are temporary at the moment, so they will likely change later. I have integrated character portraits into the dialogues for the playable characters, and I might add portraits for special NPCs as well in the future. I haven't spent much time on the world map yet, but that's likely one of my next focuses. I've reused the dialogue design in the battle scenes. Enemies also have portraits, but there's only one enemy design at the moment. Weapons like longbow have a long-range attack and you can target a unit within the range. There are no cool animations yet for all of the attacks, but that will be one of my next focus. I've added a UI for the unit actions and turn order. Physical damage is based on the strength and the adjustments from the equipped weapon. Accuracy is fixed for now, but it will factor in dexterity, as well as the speed and weight of the target in future updates. The turn order is calculated at the start of the battle and recalculated after every action. The pending unit turns can also change dynamically, such as when a unit is eliminated or a unit's speed is modified. Right now, turn order depends only on the character's speed, but in the future updates, it will include other factors like equipment weight and potion or magic effects. For the enemy behavior, I've implemented some basic logic for them to attack the nearest opponent. Their path will depend on the available cells within their movement range to approach the target unit. After the battle, a summary screen displays the results and characters will gain experience. A post-battle dialogue follows and you return to the world map, where you can head back to town. For items, I'm using Godot's resources so the data can be shared across multiple scenes. For instance, if a sword is equipped by a character and also appears in the inventory, both will use the same resource. This item data will also be used in other scenes such as shops, enemy drops, and quest rewards. The item data resource is used as a sub-resource for the inventory items and character equipment. Each inventory item is a resource that has item data and quantity. And each item in the equipment is also another resource that has the item data and stat modifiers. For navigation on the battle map, I'm using Godot's tile map layer and a star grid 2D. Each floor, objects like trees, and movement or action guide has its own layer. I use a star grid 2D to determine the available cells for movement and actions, and you can also set which cells are blocked or inaccessible. That's a very short overview of the technical aspects I have implemented so far. Once I clean up the code and improve the implementations, I may create videos focusing more on the technical side of development. As for what's next, I will be focusing more on the art. Some of the stuffs I am planning to work on next are shops, more buildings, some interiors, and more NPCs in the first town. I also want to improve the world map design and also to add unit animations in the battle scenes, such as attacking with different types of weapons and units dying. that's everything for this update. I'll probably make the next devlog video in February. If you enjoyed this video or want to see more, please consider subscribing to the channel. And thanks for watching.